Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase withdrawal limit on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the three vertical lines at the top right of your screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Now go ahead and tap on Balance. Tap on Live Rewards. Now you must be able to see how to increase withdrawal limit on TikTok option right below Withdraw. You can go ahead and tap on it. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.